Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by parking level and engaging the parking brake. This keeps things steady while you work. Once the car is off and cool, grab a 10 mm socket, flat screwdriver, a rag, and the new filter designed for your Swift. Make sure you know why. Proper tools prevent damage, and the correct filter ensures fit and filtration. Open the airbox by removing the visible clips or bolts. Lift the lid cautiously so debris doesn't fall into the intake. You'll remove the old filter next. Lift it straight up to avoid shaking dust into the throttle body. Once out, inspect it closely. If you see tears, oil saturation, or more than half the pleats clogged with dirt, replacement is mandatory because performance and fuel economy suffer. While the filter is out, wipe the airbox interior and sealing surfaces with a clean rag. This ensures an airtight fit. If there's standing water or heavy grime, remove with a damp rag and dry thoroughly before installing the new filter. Place the new filter in the housing, making sure the pleats match the airbox contour and the sealing lip sits flush. This prevents unfiltered air bypass. Close the lid and reinstall clips or bolts with even pressure so the gasket compresses uniformly. Start the engine and listen closely for hissing or irregular idle. This is your quick functional test. If you hear issues, recheck the seal and retorque fasteners. If problems persist, inspect the intake boot and clamps for tears or leaks, and replace as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.